How to create or delete an email autoresponder. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Go to the email section and click on the autoresponders icon. Click on the Add Autoresponder button. In this autoresponders interface, we can configure automatic email response messages to those who send an email when we are unavailable. Click to open the drop-down menu of character set and select an appropriate character set. Enter the interval in hours. You want the autoresponder to wait before it sends the next message to the same email address on receiving another email from the same address. It means it won't give another response message for emails received within 12 hours from the same email address. Now enter the email address for which it will respond, then select the domain of the email account. Enter the username in the next input box. Enter the subject of the response message. In the body text box, write the message you want the autoresponder to send. You can start the autoresponder immediately, or you can set a date and time as per your requirement. To set a custom date and time, click on the option button for custom. From here you can choose a date and time for autoresponder to start. If you want to stop autoresponder, you can click on the option button custom and set a date and time to stop autoresponder, or you can choose the never option. Now click on the create button. That's it, we have successfully created autoresponder for the entered email address. Now click on the go back button. Here is the autoresponder we created. You can edit or delete the autoresponder from this interface. To delete the autoresponder, click on the delete button. Click on the delete autoresponder button to confirm the delete. Now you know how to create and delete an autoresponder. Thank you for watching.